How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your maintenance light on your 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot. All models with the exception of the Touring model. So, but before we do that, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. All right, let's get to the video now. You're going to turn on your ignition. So this customer is doing the oil change early. So normally if it was due at 15%, it would display right over here. But since it's not, we're gonna have to go and toggle the switch over here till we reach the oil life. So here we are. Now you're gonna press and hold it. You're gonna wait till it starts blinking. Now you're gonna press and hold again. Now one more time, press and hold. And there you have it. All right, guys, once again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.